Hey guys, so the first thing you need to do is glue your eyebrows with a non-toxic glue stick until they are pretty flat and smooth. Grab a sponge, dip it in water, squeeze the excess water and apply the paint onto the sponge like so, and then dab it onto your face. Make sure that you blend those colors well and you achieve a kind of gradient effect. The basic idea is that you need to get the dark green paint below your cheekbones and on the upper parts of your forehead. The other areas are either yellow or other shades of green. Working on the cheek and the jaw area right now and ruined it. So the moral of the story is that you really need to see which color is there on the top and the bottom part of the sponge and only then sponge it on. Now applying yellow paint to the jaw area because I wanted it to look more yellow than light green, and I'll just retouch and keep on working on different parts of the base, so please bear with me. Next, with the wet and clean sponge, I am making sure there are no harsh lines between the two colors and blending them really well. Applying yellow and green paint to the chin and the upper lip region and just retouching my forehead with some yellow paint. Just make sure that everything is blended well and the chin and the upper lip area, they are light enough because we need to draw the mouth later. Draw a V and fill it in with dark green paint and make sure it's blended with the dark green above. So basically the eye area is again dark green, but make sure there is no dark green in the under eye area, and it's okay if it is not blended well because anyway we are going to draw eyebrows over them. Applying yellow to the under eye area and blending it. You can use your fingers for this. Final touch-ups and then we allow the base to dry. Now grab a piece of fishnet or loofah and hold it against your skin tightly. This is to prevent the bleeding of the paint through the holes and also make sure you don't use a lot of paint for the same reason. Applying the paint with your fingers is the best way you can do this, I think, and make sure that your paint is not too dry or too wet while doing this or the technique won't work. Do not take off the piece of loofah until the paint has actually dried. Applying black scales to some of the areas and now working on my eye, painting it all white as you can see in the video. Painting on some huge nostrils. Moving on to the eyebrows, I'm just drawing the basic structure for the eyebrows here. Draw two vertical lines as so and extend them towards the nose. Draw several vertical lines extending from the eyebrow. I am now making the eyebrows look more thick. For the mouth, I cannot actually explain what I am doing here, but I think you can follow the tutorial. Now back to the eyebrows, I am just thickening the vertical lines which we made earlier and also connecting those vertical lines with the help of some curves and U-shaped structures as you can see in the video, and in short just bringing the whole eyebrow together. Some final touch-ups and then we are done with the eyebrows. Now drawing the fangs, definitely not a piece of art. Don't judge me guys, I was really exhausted by that time and it was really getting dark then. Outlining the eyes with black paint. Just draw a wing and a second wing over there, and now just follow whatever I am doing in the video. Did my second eye too off camera, and this is how it looks. Okay, so now it may seem more hilarious, but just just suppose that those braids are snakes, and now this is Medusa. Bye.